Watch this 6-inch cardboard square getting transformed into a modern vase. This is the last vase of my Trash to Treasure Vases series. If you haven't watched my first 2 vases yet, please click on the link on the top right corner on the screen. I think you would like those vases too. Sanded the circular edge so the square will slide smoothly on the tin. As usual, covered the rough edges with the brown paper strips. Applied the paint after gesso dried. And applied the varnish after paint dried. Followed the same 3 painting steps with tin. If you are like me who likes eco-friendly crafts, then this craft is for you, definitely. And you should press the like button for it, right? Here I got 15 squares altogether. I used this cardboard strip as a spacer so I could place squares on the tin at an equal distance from each other. Each time, make sure to remove the spacer strip after the glue settles a little bit, not before that. This vase DIY is eco-friendly, and also this vase will make a great room decor for a modern home. I painted this dried glue for a neater look. And here's the final look of my unique modern vase. Watch the amazing shadow play at different angles. With this, I'm ending my Trash to Treasure Vases series. See you in the next unique and eco-friendly DIY. Bye!